Hello students, welcome to Anne's classes. Let's do fractions. Exercise 7.7, addition and subtraction of fractions. Chapter 7. This is on page number 101. Question 1 says, write the sign plus or minus in the circles. So we have 4 questions here. We have to read the questions carefully and see which operation we are doing. Are we doing addition or are we doing subtraction to get these answers? So let's look at the first question. The first one says 7 by 8 plus or minus 4 by 8 will give us 3 by 8. So here as you can see 7 and 4 and the number has reduced. In the answer the number has reduced. If the number has reduced, that means subtraction has taken place here, isn't it? So we have to put a minus sign here. So let's put a minus sign here inside the circle. And as you can see, they're all like fractions because they have the same denominator. So now let's read this once more. 7 by 8 minus 4 by 8 is 3 by 8 because we subtract only the numerators. The denominator will remain the same. Let's go to question B. Here we have 8 by 12 plus or minus 2 by 12 giving us 10 by 12. So the numerator is 8, here the numerator is 2 and here the numerator has increased. That means we should put a plus sign inside. So let's put a plus sign inside. And now let's read the question. 8 by 12 plus 2 by 12 is 10 by 12 because again we add up only the numerators. 8 plus 2 is 10. The denominator remains the same. Question C. 9 by 6 plus or minus 6 by 6 is giving us 3 by 6. So the numerator is 9, here the numerator is 6, here the numerator has reduced in the answer. So that means this is subtraction. That means 9 by 6 minus 6 by 6. When we subtract the numerators, 9 minus 6 we get 3. The denominator remains the same. Question D. 11 by 15 plus or minus 3 by 15 equals 14 by 15. The numerator is 11. Here it is 3. Here it is 14. It has become more, isn't it? So when it has become more, that means this operation is addition. So let's write that. So this is addition. And let's read the question again. 11 by 15 plus 3 by 15 equals 14 by 15 because 11 plus 3 is 14 and the denominator is 15. Question 2. Solve the following riddles on fractions. Question A. At my birthday party, the girls ate 3.5 pizzas, 3 1 by 2 pizzas, and the boys ate 7 1 by 2, 7.5. How many pizzas were eaten at my party? So we are supposed to find out the total pizzas eaten at the party. So let's begin our statements by saying pizzas eaten by the girls. How much did the girls eat? 3 1 by 2. So let's write that 3 1 by 2. The girls ate so much. How much did the boys eat? The boys ate 7 1 by 2. Now to find out the total pizzas eaten, we have to add these up. So 3 1 by 2 plus 7 1 by 2. First step is we convert them to improper fractions. How do we do that? 2 into 3 is 6 plus 1. We add it up. Plus 1 is 7. So that is 7 by 2 plus, and here what do we have? 7 1 by 2. Let's convert it. 2 into 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. So that is 15 by 2. Now we have to add up these. As you can see, they are both like fractions because denominators are the same. So we simply have to add up the numerators. So this is 7 plus 15 by 2. 7 plus 15 is 22. 22 by 2. Now this is an improper fraction. Let's convert it to a mixed number. So let's divide 22 by 2. 2 11s are 22. So here we're getting a whole number itself as the answer. So we don't have to write it as a mixed number because our remainder is 0. This will be our answer. So the total pizzas eaten are 11. So the answer, we can write the answer as 11 pizzas. So 11 pizzas were eaten. So this is our answer. Question B. I bought 2.5 liters of paint, but I used only 3 by 2 liters of it. How much paint am I left with? So let's begin by saying how much I bought first. So paint I bought is 2.5 liters. So let's write that. 2.5 liters of paint is what I bought. How much should I use? Paint I used is 3 by 2 liters. 3 by 2 liters. That means I used less. Now I am left with some paint. So how much is that? Paint I am left with. To find out how much paint I am left with, I have to subtract these two because I bought so much but I used only a little. So to find out how much is left, I have to subtract. That means 2 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Let's convert 2 1 by 2 into an improper fraction. So 2 2's are 4 plus 1 is 5. So this becomes 5 by 2. 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. The denominators are the same, so we just subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3 by 2. 5 minus 3 is 2 and the denominator is also 2. So when the numerator and the denominator are the same, it is equal to 1. Okay, or you can even cancel. 2 1's are 2, 2 1's are 2, 1 by 1, which is equal to 1. So what is my answer? My answer, the paint that I'm left with is 1 liter. So I can write that I am left with 1 liter of paint. So this is my answer. Question C. I need 2 by 3 cups of white flour and 2 1 by cups of whole wheat flour for my recipe. How much flour do I need in total for my recipe? So I'm going to cook something and I need white flour and I need whole wheat flour. So this is how much of a white flour I need. I need 2 by 3 cups, 2/3 of a cup of white flour and 2 1 by 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Now how much of flour do I need in total? So I'm going to first write out how much of cups of white flour I need. Cups of white flour I need are, the cups will be 2/3. 2/3 of a cup of white flour I need. Now how much of whole wheat flour do I need? 2 1 by 3. 2 1 by 3 cups. 2 1/3 cups of whole wheat flour. Now totally, in total, flour I need in total means I need to add up and see. 2/3 plus 2, 1 by 3. Now here we are going to convert this to an improper fraction. 3 2's are 6 plus 1 is 7. So this is 2 by 3 plus 7 by 3. Again, as you can see, they are like fractions. Denominators are the same. So we just have to add up the numerators. So 2 plus 7 by 3. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 by 3. This is an improper fraction. We can convert it to a mixed number or a whole number. Here, as you can see, this is divisible by 3. That is, 3 1's are 3, 3 3's are 9. So we have 3 as our answer. So how much of flour do I need on the whole? I need 3 cups of flour. 3 cups of flour in total to make my dish. That is for my recipe. So what is my final answer? 3 cups of flour I need. Question D. My dog is 5.5 years old. My cat is 1 by 3 years younger than my dog. Then how old is my cat? So what have we been given? We've been told that my dog is 5.5 years old and that my cat is 1 by 3 years younger than my dog. So how do we find my cat's age? So we have to subtract these two. So let's take the two numbers. 5 1 by 2 minus 4 1 by 3. When we subtract these two, we will get the age of my cat. So in the first step, we convert. So 2 5's are 10 plus 1 is 11. So this is 11 by 2 minus, here let's convert, 3 4's are 12 plus 1 is 13. So that is minus 13 by 3. Now, as you can see, the denominators are different. That means they are unlike fractions. So we have to make the new denominators the same. So for that, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. So let's find the LCM of 2 and 3. So begin with the smallest number, prime number. 2 ones are 2, and then you bring down 3. Now you continue dividing by 3, 1 and 1. So our LCM here will be 2 into 3. We are multiplying these two numbers, 2 into 3, and that is 6. So our LCM is 6. That means this is going to be a common denominator. So now we're going to write the denominator here as 6 minus here also denominator is going to be 6. Now 2 has now become 6. So 2 into what is 6? 2 into 3 is 6. So we multiply 11 also by 3. 11 threes are 33 minus, let's go to the next one. Now here 3 into what is 6? 3 into 2 is 6. So we multiply 13 also by 2. 13 twos are 26. Now we subtract 33 minus 26 because the denominators are the same. So this is 33 minus 26 by 6. So let's subtract 33 minus 26. So here we need to borrow. So this becomes 2 and this is 13. 13 minus 6 is 7. Here it is 0. So what do we have then? We have 7. So this is 7 by 6. So my cat's age is 7 by 6. Now here we have to convert this to a mixed number because it's an improper fraction. So let's do that. That means we divide 7 by 6. 6 ones are 6 minus 1. So here what do we have? We have 1 by 6. This is the age of my cat. 1 by 6 years old. This is how old my cat is. Question B. During the bun eating contest, my dad ate 5 2 by 3 buns and my mom ate 2 1 by 4 buns. Who ate more and by how much? So there was a bun eating competition, and in this competition, my dad ate so much and my mom ate so much. Now, who ate more is the question. So my dad ate 5 2 by 3 buns. My mom ate 2 1 by 4 buns. Now we need to see which is the greater number here. So if you take both the fractions 5 2 by 3 and 2 1 by 4, you can look at the whole number part and make out which is greater. 5 is greater than 2, isn't it? That means my dad has eaten more. So let's write the answer. My dad ate more. Now by how much? You have to subtract this and see. So that is 5 2 by 3 minus 2 1 by 4. Now let's convert this. 3 5s are 15 plus 2 is 17. So this is 17 by 3 minus, convert this, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. That is 9 by 4. So the denominators are different. They are unlike fractions. To make the denominators the same, we find the LCM of the denominators. So let's take the denominators 3 and 4 and find the LCM. We can begin with 3 itself. 3 ones are 3. We bring down 4. Now continue with 2. 1, 2 twos are 4. Continue again with 2, 1 and 1. Now let's find the LCM. The LCM is 3 into 2 into 2. So here let's multiply. 3 twos are 6, 6 twos are 12. So our LCM is 12. Let's use that as a common denominator. So here the denominator is 12. Here also now it is 12. Now 3 into what is 12? 3 fours are 12. So 17 into 4. So let's multiply 17 into 4. 4 sevens are 28, carry 2. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 is 6. So this is 68 by 12. Let's go to the next one. Now here it is 4 into 3 is 12. So multiply 9 also by 3. 9 threes are 27. Now here the denominators are the same, so we can just subtract the numerators. So this will be 68 minus 27 by 12. Now let's do the subtraction. 68 minus 27. 8 minus 7 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So that's 41. So this becomes 41 by 12. Now let's convert this to a mixed number. So 41 divided by 12, we need to say the tables of 12, get a number close to 41. 12 threes are 36. Now let's subtract here. We can subtract by borrowing from here. So this becomes 11. 11 minus 6 is 5 and this is 0. So what is our mixed number here? 3, 5 by 12. So this is our answer. My dad ate more by 3, 5 by 12. So this is our answer. Question F. I need to drink 8 3 by 4 cups of water and 2 1 by 4 cups of milk every day. Now how much of fluid do I have to drink? Okay, so how much of water do I need to drink? Cups of water I need to drink will be 8 3 by 4. 8 3 by 4 cups of water. And how much of milk do I need to drink? I need to drink 2 1 by 4 cups of milk. So the total fluid that I need to drink, I have to find out by adding up these two. 8 3 by 4 plus 2 1 by 4. Let's convert these to improper fractions. 4 8s are 32 plus 3 is 35. So this is 35 by 4 plus, let's convert here. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9 and that is 9 by 4. So these are like fractions, so we just have to add the numerators, that is 35 plus 9 by 4. When you add up 35 plus 9, you get 44. 44 by 4. And when you divide this, you get 4. 11s are 44. So the answer is 11. That means the total fluid I need to drink is 11 cups. So I need to have 11 cups of fluid every day. We'll stop with that for now, children. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you, children.